Hi, and welcome to Living Room Court. This episode is Should Pets Be on Furniture? So, with me today as my guest, I have my father, Ron Nuremberg. So, how is it to be mayor? Is it good? Yeah.
Yeah, it's good, Shauna. Thank you.
Yeah, it's good that you're
Yeah.
helping the world. And now let's dive on into this topic. The topic today is, should dogs or cats or pets be on furniture? What's your take on this?
I think that depending on what the rules are set when we get the furniture, some furniture should be allowed. But if there is designated furniture that is no pets allowed, then everyone should respect those rules, including Moo.
That's our dog, and you don't let her be on the couch. Is it because you don't want it, or?
Well, when we got the couch, which we got because the last one was destroyed by Moses, if you remember, we got it explicitly with the rule that this couch was going to be a little bit more expensive, and we're going to put all the protections on it so that we made sure it lasted for a long time. And so that one was going to be a couch just for the just for the humans in our family, and not for Moo. And so we have to be strong on that. And so, you know what we did? We bought furniture just for Moo.
Yeah.
And just like in our bedrooms, your room, our room, in the living room, in the bathroom, we got Moo her own couches. and I think she has probably 5 times as many couches as we have. And the more that she's encouraged to use her couches, the less she'll be tempted to use ours.
Well, my opinion is that she has dogs and pets have less life span than humans, and I feel like that they should be as much as comfort. They should have more comfort in all of their time than humans, because they look so cute. So.
Well, the first one about lifespan is a pretty good argument.
I like when they're so cute, and then when they pet us and they lick us.
But we have compromised because we bought beds for Moo next to our bed, but she gets into our bed now, both of them. So she is able to get in our bed, but the couch is different. But you could curl up next to Moo on her couch if she lets you.
Well, yeah, she sometimes lets me, and but I honestly think that dogs should, and cats and whatever animals that you guys have should. I feel like, in my opinion, that they should. Maybe it's just a kid's opinion, but that they should be able to be on the couches, just because we want them to provide comfort, and I feel like we're not gonna snuggle up on their couch. So that's one of the times that we can cuddle with them. And
why not? Why wouldn't she go in her couch?
Because they're small.
It's just hers big enough to fit all 3 of us, I think.
And then she growls.
So is that a universal rule for all pieces of furniture for everyone in every family?
No.
So how would we deal with special pieces of furniture that have different rules than the universal? Everyone belongs on everything.
Well, if it's like an antique or a really expensive one, I'd say put protection on it, and unless you have like a certain rule.
So like if it's
super expensive or something, maybe you should get your dog their own couch.
Yeah, so depending on what your income is in the house will determine how expensive it is for you. So you're okay with having some pieces of furniture that have...
like she's allowed on my bed.
Yeah, but you're okay with having some pieces of furniture have their own rules?
Yeah.
But we always have to stick to them.
Yeah, like if it's on the chair you're sitting on, I don't think she could. She should, because that's pretty...
And there's only room for one of us.
Yeah. And that's my opinion. I know you have a different perspective on this.
Yeah, but it sounds like we came to a compromise that if there's certain pieces of furniture that we want to have different rules on, then we can. But for the most part, Moo or other pets can go on the furniture unless we set specific rules.
Yeah, that's ours. If you can vote on what it should be in YouTube or Facebook or Instagram or wherever you are watching this. And yeah, so we sort of came to an agreement, but I honestly think pets should be allowed everywhere.
Wait a minute, but you just said that we can have we can have special rules for special circumstances. I think the key is that we have to have another conversation later to talk about what those rules are, what the criteria are for a special piece of furniture.
Maybe. Okay.
Well, thanks for having me on Living Room Court, Jonah.
You're welcome. And so that's our podcast. Thank you for listening to Living Room Court.